Yeah, alright guys, so if this is the first time watching my video, I'd like you to drop a comment, okay, drop where you're watching from, okay. So for today, I just want to show you how to strum your guitar, okay. Don't know, many questions have been coming on my DM, but I've been asking her, boss, how can I strum my guitar? It's very simple, okay. Strumming have different patterns you can strum, but the easiest way you can start learning how to strum is this way. Alright, so like I said, if you have any challenges, drop it on the comment section. I will give you the reply as soon as possible. Okay, so what am I? This is how you can strum. At the first, this is how you can hold your pick. Okay, this is my plectrum. So you hold your pick this way. You place your thumbs on the base here. Okay, place your thumbs and rise while your first finger, this finger goes under. Okay, it goes under like this. Okay, hope you can see it. Goes on like this. When it goes on like this, that is how you can hold your plectrum. Okay, you see, just like this. Okay, from this you can know how to strum your guitar very well. Okay, this is how you hold your strum. So when you hold your chord, probably you can start from your maybe your source chord, like I showed you in my previous video. This is your source chord and C source chord. You hold your source chord. Okay. Now this is how it sounds. So the strumming pattern there is down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Okay. Okay. Down, down, up. Okay. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. So now the first down, you don't play that much heavy. It is the second down you play heavy. Something like this. Okay. Okay. I'm going to play it more heavy. The first one is just like okay. Then you're up when you play. You pick the strings up. Okay, you pick the strings up as if you want to mute. You unmute your chord a little bit. Okay, something like this. You unmute your chord a little. If you are pressing it, you unmute it. Stuff like that. Okay, you don't really press the chord again. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay, playing the 1, 5, 6, 4. Okay, so that's how you can start knowing how to strum your guitar very well. Okay, so practice on that. Whenever you don't understand, you can hit me on the comment section. I will give you the reply. Okay.